President Uhuru Kenyatta, President of the Republic of Kenya, all the presidents present here today, all the former presidents, prime ministers, and all the other delegates that has come to join us in this morning. We came from South Sudan to join the Kenyan people in mourning President Moi, whom we consider as the hero of our independence and freedom. The people of South Sudan are heavily touched by the death of President Daniel Arap Moi, who is the icon of peace in our region. We remember him for at least two things. One, while I was one of the chief negotiators of the Comprehensive Peace Agreement 2005, representing the Sudan People's Liberation Movement and Sudan People's Liberation Army, SPLM, SPLA, I heard him say, and I quote, "As a senior statesman and son of Africa, Vice President Ali Osman leave the people of South Sudan to be free. You develop trade and diplomatic relations with them as good and peaceful neighbors." He said this in May 2011 in Nyakuran Cultural Center in Juba, and also in the Parliament of the People of South Sudan in Juba, South Sudan. The second thing, here in Nairobi, two South Sudanese young sisters were returning from Langata Road Primary School, and unfortunately they were swept away by those strong streams of floods that occurred in Nairobi in 1990s. Late President Moi heard the news, and after that, he personally went to pay tribute and condolences to the South Sudanese families of the two unfortunate innocent girls. This symbolizes his love for children, and particularly for the people of South Sudan. Your Excellency President Uhuru and the people of Kenya, that is what late President Daniel Arap Moi did to my people, the people of South Sudan. As the President of the Republic of South Sudan, South Sudan is the product of his work and will remain his legacy. My people very much respect and honor late President Daniel Arap Moi, both for his humility and very good heart, which even Kenyans who worked with him remember. Your Excellency President Uhuru, the people of Kenya and the family of late President Moi I and my family and my people of South Sudan pray that the Almighty God rest our freedom and independence hero and icon, late President Moi, in eternal peace. God bless you all.